In this video, we are going to talk about how to set up your development environment so you can start writing Java code. We will cover two important things: installing the Java Development Kit or JDK and setting up popular IDEs like Intel IDEA, Eclipse, and Visual Studio Code. First, let's talk about the JDK. JDK stands for Java Development Kit. It includes everything you need to write and run Java programs, like the Java compiler that turns your code into something the computer can understand, the Java Virtual Machine or JVM, which actually runs your program, and lots of tools and libraries to help you build applications. So, without the JDK, you can't write or run Java code. Let's see how to install it. There are several JDK options you can choose from: the official Oracle JDK, Open JDK, which is open source and free, or other distributions like Amazon Karato or Azul Zulu. Any of these work fine for learning Java. To install the JDK, go to the website of your chosen JDK. For example, Oracle JDK is available at oracle.com. Download the installer for your operating system, Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Run the installer and follow the instructions. Once the installation is complete, you should set your Java home environment variable, which tells your system where to find Java. And it's important to add Java's bin folder to your system's path so you can run Java commands from the terminal or command prompt. Verifying your installation. To check that Java is installed correctly, open your terminal or command prompt, type java-version and javac-version. If both commands show a version number, you are good to go. Setting up an IDE. Now that JDK is installed, let's talk about the IDEs. An IDE or Integrated Development Environment is software that makes coding easier. It provides code suggestions, syntax highlighting, tools for running and debugging your programs, and ways to manage your projects. There are many IDEs available for Java, but three of the most popular are Intel IDEA, Eclipse, and Virtual Studio Code. Let's look at each one. First up, Intel IDEA by JetBrains. It's one of the most popular Java IDEs. It comes in two versions: the Community Edition, which is free and great for most beginners, the Ultimate Edition, which has extra features for enterprise development. To install Intel IDEA, go to jetbrains.com/idea. Download the installer for your system, run the setup and follow the instructions. Intel IJ is known for smart code completion, easy navigation, great integration with build tools like Maven and Gradle, and powerful refactoring tools. Next is Eclipse, a long-time favorite among Java developers. It's completely free and open source. It's highly customizable with plugins. To install Eclipse, visit eclipse.org. Download the Eclipse IDE for Java developers, run the installer and follow the prompts. Eclipse offers excellent tools for enterprise applications, strong support for Java EE development, a big plugin ecosystem, and solid debugging tools. Last, we have Visual Studio Code or VS Code. It's a lightweight, fast code editor from Microsoft. It's not a traditional IDE but becomes very powerful with extensions. To use VS Codes for Java, download it from code.visualstudio.com. Install extensions like the Extension Pack for Java by Microsoft, Language Support for Java by Red Hat, and the Debugger for Java. VS Code is a great choice if you want something lightweight, you work with multiple languages besides Java, or you prefer a highly customizable setup. Running your first Java program. Once you have installed IDE, create a new Java project, write a simple program like this, then run it directly from your IDE. If you see Hello World printed on the screen, congratulations! You have successfully set up your Java environment. So which IDE should you choose? Intel IDEA Community Edition, perfect for beginners and very user friendly. Eclipse, great for enterprise and large projects. VS Code, excellent for lightweight development or if you work with multiple languages. Any of them will help you write Java code efficiently. So to recap, install the JDK to write and run Java programs. Pick an IDE that suits your style and needs. Verify setup by running your first simple program. And that's it. You are ready to start coding in Java.